People are making $100 a day with AI in just 10 minutes. Here's how you can too. Need extra cash? What if I told you AI could help you make $100 a day in just 10 minutes? No coding, no special skills, just smart AI tools doing the heavy lifting for you. But before we break it down, welcome to AI Hustle Up. Work smarter, earn faster, live freer. Remember, the topics we share here are for education purposes only. Some topics might require you to consult the experts for further information. Now, let's break it down, step by step. Step 1. AI-powered stock image selling. First up, selling AI-generated stock images. Platforms like Midjourney can create professional, high-quality images in seconds. And guess what? You can sell them on sites like Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, and Etsy. How it works? 1. Use Midjourney or DALL-E to generate unique art. 2. Upload them to stock photo sites. 3. Get paid whenever someone downloads your work. People are making hundreds per month from this, and you just spent 10 minutes clicking generate and upload. Step 2. AI voice-over services. Did you know YouTube creators, marketers, and businesses pay big bucks for voice-over services? And thanks to AI, you don't even have to record a single word. How it works? 1. Use 11 Labs and Murph AI to generate voiceovers. 2. List your service on Fiverr, Upwork, or People per Hour. 3. Deliver high-quality voiceovers in minutes. This is perfect if you don't want to be on camera but still want to cash in on AI automation. Step 3. AI blog writing and affiliate marketing. AI blogs are the new money printing machine. Here's how it works. AI writes the content, and you monetize with affiliate links. How it works? 1. Use ChatGPT to generate blog articles. 2. Post them on the free website, Medium, WordPress, or Blogger. 3. Add affiliate links from Amazon, ClickBank, and share a sale. Each click, a commission. Each sale, more passive income. It's like hiring a ghostwriter for free. Before we go to step 4, it's time to join the Subscribe Squad. Like, subscribe, comment, and click the bell icon to get notified and stay tuned for awesome content. Don't forget to share this video too, for it might help people who needs it. Step 4. AI ebook publishing. Ever wanted to publish a book? AI just made it stupid easy. You don't even need to write. Just let AI do its thing, and you sell it on Amazon KDP. How it works? 1. Use ChatGPT to generate ebook content. 2. Format it using Canva or Readsy. 3. Upload to Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or KDP. Some people are making thousands a month from AI-generated ebooks. And you? You just wrote a book in 10 minutes. Step 5. AI video automation. No face? No problem. AI can handle the whole process. How it works? 1. Use ChatGPT to write a video script. 2. Generate a voiceover using 11 Labs. 3. Add visuals to Pictory or in video. 4. Upload to YouTube and monetize with ads and affiliate links. People are making serious passive income from faceless YouTube automation. And with AI, you can start with zero experience. And there you have it, 5 AI hustles that can make you $100 a day or more with just 10 minutes of effort. Stock image selling. Midjourney plus Adobe Stock. AI voiceovers. Fiverr plus 11 Labs. AI blog writing. ChatGPT plus affiliate marketing. AI ebooks. ChatGPT plus KDP. And AI YouTube automation. Pictory plus YouTube ads. Which one are you trying first? Drop a comment below, and if you want more AI money hacks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for the next one.